Hello, good morning student for class 8th. This is your 8th lecture of 12th chapter of English first. देखिए narrator and Aeneas went directly to his ship. क्या करते हैं? एनियास चली जाती है अपने शिप पे. डीडो फियर सिस्टर एना. डीडो क्या? फियर सिस्टर एना कमेंड द प्रीस्ट वुड Pare, I will make a sacrifice to the gods. I will pray to Neptune and Juno to come and winds and keep him here, or better to send a storm and break him once more. Let the faithless breed swim to Italy. क्या करता है? अब वो ये कहता है कि मैं किससे कमेंट करूँगा? आई विल मेक ए सेक्रीफाइस टू द गॉड. ये जो बनेगा वो किसका? भगवान का एक सेक्रीफाइस बनेगा. मैं प्रे करूँगा नेपच्यून एंड जूनो से कि वो शांत रहें और आप कोई भी इस तरीके से स्टोर्म से फिर स्टोर्म या तेज़ हवाएं ना चलें जिससे कि फिर से क्या हो, ये सूरा इडली बह जाए. ओके. नरेटर एंड वाइल द प्रीस्ट वुड ए प्रे पायरे इन ए courtyard of the temple, Dido stood on her balcony and watched the ship sail. Dido, the winds blew my love to me, and now they take him away. The knives means होता है a mythology spirit of natural imagined as a beautiful maiden of the sea, carry him far from me. Chains of gold could not anchor him here. What have I done to offend the gods that they separate me from happiness? If only I had the wings of Icarus, I could fly out of him. Where is the friendly dolphin that will carry me on his back behind the ship of Aeneas? Or if I could swim like Neptune's knees. Oh, how I am raving. Raving means होता है taking irrationally. Love is poised with me. Lunacy means होता है madness. See how Aeneas is rejoicing with his sailors as across the waves away from me. He has forgotten his Dido already. Aha, the priests have set the fire. The flames are consuming the goals. I see in their light a future full of destructions. Oh Juno, protector of your city, I pray to you, let him build his precious Rome, for Jupiter wills it so, and let the city grow to the great and powerful word. Let Cathays send a journal of destroy it. May an African army ride elephants across the sea and over the mountains, rise up to the walls of Troy, and may Rome's dust blow on the wind and mingle with Troy's. And now, where is that sword of Aeneas? It protected his life, but now it takes away mine. No, this front has already destroyed the Dido who lived but a few short months ago, before she set eyes upon the faithless Trojan, the woman whose sparkling eyes drew 100 suitors from all Africa, Europe and Asia is gone. All that is left for me now is lunacy. I shall not go mad, better die. Narrator. And although Aeneas felt the wind in his hair and the salt in his nostrils and heard the cry of gulls above his ship, and although he felt that the chains of destiny were pulling him to freedom, he did not forget his Dido. He looked back at the walls of Carthage and saw smoke rising from the temple. He thought to himself, Aeneas, that is all that is left of my love. ये ग्रीक माइथ्स थी। अब क्या आज आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है। नोट डाउन योर होमवर्क। होमवर्क में देखिए क्विक आंसर, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस रिलेशनशिप चार्ट। आप इसको रिलेशनशिप चार्ट को कंप्लीट करना है। वीनस के बेटे का नाम और उसके बेटे का नाम, वीनस की सिस्टर का नाम लिखना है एंड आपको करना है रीड टू आंसर के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं एंड टर्न योर पेज। रीड टू आंसर के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं आपको फर्स्ट से लेके 5th तक और टर्न योर पेज। आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली, थिंक टू आंसर करने एंड आपको करने डिस्कस टू हाउ। ओके, थैंक यू क्लास।